Hi there. This week, Amazon shares fell 14%, the worst day they've had, I think, since about 2005. But that's not the only thing. In addition, the Nasdaq stock market on which the Amazon shares are listed also fell and had the worst week since 2008. And we know what happened then. It fell by 4% on Friday. That doesn't sound a lot, but that is billions of dollars wiped off the values of companies. In addition to that, as I was saying in my podcast recently, the American economy fell 1.4%. The output of the American economy fell 1.4% in the first quarter of this year. That's after a 6% growth at the end of 2021. This is quite significant. And you've got other signs as well. Other companies being less profitable now. We've seen Netflix lose 200,000 subscribers in the first quarter of this year. So this is all pointing towards a pullback in spending and a possible recession on the way. So watch out for that. I know people have been talking about recessions coming for a long time, and the only thing that stopped that is government intervention, printing and creating trillions of artificial dollars, pounds and euros that has artificially propped up the economy and stopped the economies going into recession. That's the only thing that stopped recession, but you can't stop it forever, because what this has caused is inflation, and inflation is causing other problems for all sorts of people, for businesses, for governments and for individuals. We've seen rising prices in the shops. So I want to give you quickly 3 tips to help you get through this period of rising costs, inflation, and I believe the coming recession. The first thing I would recommend is that you get control of your expenditure. When I was a financial advisor, everyone I knew that had money, that was comfortable, was happy, knew exactly what they were spending their money on. They knew exactly where it was going. People that were broke and struggling didn't. The second thing is to get out of consumer debt. Get control of that debt, pay it off, reduce it, transfer it to a cheaper card if you can, but get control and stop spending it. And that's the third thing really, is to get control of your spending. You cannot go through life spending more than you earn. Eventually the chickens will come home to roost, as they say, and it will catch up with you. Bit like governments really, that's what happens with governments, but there's going to be nobody to bail you out. You will go bankrupt. So those are the 3 tips. Get control of your spending is the last one. Now, to help you through this, I'm offering a free masterclass next Wednesday at 7 p.m. Check out my page for links, or check it out on my YouTube, Charles Kelly Money Tips. A free masterclass, 7 p.m. UK time, to help you get control of your finances and learn how to build wealth properly and build wealth over time by investing. So thanks very much for listening. Have a great weekend. It's a lovely day here in London, but get control of your money.